Let's talk about word counts. There's a lot of ridiculously high numbers floating around the author sphere. Some writers are able to write 5,000 or even 10,000 words a day. A few authors are capable of producing 15 or even 20,000 words in a given day. Good for them. I tip my hat to those authors. But guess what? It doesn't matter what other writers can do. That's right. You heard me correctly. When it comes to word counts, it's irrelevant if other people in the writing community are putting up insane word tallies. It only matters what you are capable of. Those other authors aren't going to write your book for you. You're the one who's going to be sitting down in front of your computer crafting your story. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on what you are capable of. Because guess what? No matter how many words you can write, there's always going to be someone out there who can do more. I've seen plenty of writers over the years get discouraged because they aren't able to put up gaudy numbers. The idea of ever writing 5,000 words, much less 10,000, is just an impossibility to them. Maybe you're only capable of writing a couple thousand words a day. 2, 3, maybe 4. I feel you. That's me. My highest word count day is 4,500 words. I've done that once in my entire life, and that nearly broke me. I was a wreck after that. My wrist hurt, my mind was mush, and I felt awful after 4,500 words. I can't even imagine writing 10,000 words. It's just not something I'm capable of. But I know that because I'm well aware of my limitations. If you want to build a sustainable writing career, you'd be wise to figure out what works best for you. For me, 1,500 words a day is a good target. Sometimes I hit it, other times I come up short. On rare occasions, I get a little more. I do that about 5 days a week. And I've been doing that for a number of years straight. But that's me. Your number might be completely different. It might be way more or far less. The key is to figure out your sweet spot. If you want to push yourself and see what you're capable of, go for it. Experimentation is good. At some point, after a fair amount of trial and error, you'll be able to make some definitive conclusions about your writing process. Once you know what works for you, stick with it. If you can only do 500 words a day, so be it. If you can do 8,000, I applaud you. Just remember, consistency is a writer's best friend. If you create unrealistic expectations for yourself, it will probably end up blowing up in your face. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but at some point down the road. And if that happens, things can turn nasty. The last thing you want is for the burnout demon to pay you a visit. Burnout takes no prisoners. So, how do you avoid burnout? By coming up with a sustainable writing model. Remember, you're looking to build a writing career. You're going to be an author for years to come. If you get burnt out, you'll be out of commission for a while. Figure out what you're comfortable with. How many words can you realistically write in a given day, or week, or month? Whatever that number happens to be, own it. Embrace it. Be proud of it. Every word that you write gets you a little bit closer to the finish line. Every sentence is an accomplishment. Do your best, and don't let anyone make you feel bad about your word count. Now, before you go, I want to tell you about a mini guide that I'm giving away for free. It's called The Top Mistakes That Self-Publishers Make. You can get your copy by clicking the link in the description of this video. Download your copy now. Don't miss this opportunity.